Okay, this is 1333 Pine Street, Unit 1F. The appliances are in. It's a walked-up brownstone in Washington Square section of Philadelphia. Self-managed by the landlord. This is the vestibule. This is your unit. Right on the first floor. As you enter, stackable washer dryer. Okay. Granite countertops, stove, oven, refrigerator. We have floor plans available. Hardwood floors throughout. Ensuite bathrooms in each bedroom. Toilet, sink, glass shower. Smaller closet, but suitable with some hooks. Second bedroom. Nice ceiling height. Larger closet. Hardwood floors throughout. This is common patio space. It's really just egress and ingress in case of emergencies. It's not a private outdoor space. Unit has central air and central heat. And that's it. Let us know if you have any questions, interests. Hope to hear from you. Thank you.